For those of you who want to open the Android data folder in ZArchiver without using Shizuku, this method is very simple and you can try it right away, but note, this usually works only on Android 13 and below. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the latest tutorials. Alright, let's begin. First, uninstall the Shizuku app if it's still installed. Then open your phone settings, go to apps, and look for an app called File. Not Files by Google, but the System File Manager from your device. Once you find it, tap it and choose Uninstall Updates. This will return the file manager to the factory version. Where permissions are less strict, after that, go back to ZArchiver. Open App Info and clear the app data. Don't worry. Your files are safe, only the ZArchiver settings will reset. Now open ZArchiver again, go to the Android folder. And you will see the data folder. Rename it first, for example, to data. Or add any random characters. The important thing is, the name should not be data and now. This is the most important part. Do not leave ZArchiver. Do not switch to another app. Not even for a second. Stay inside ZArchiver until you finish editing or copying your files and rename the folder back to data. If you exit the app, even for a moment, it may cause issues. For apps inside the data folder, after the folder name is changed, the full structure of the Android data folder will open completely. You can edit, copy, or move any file you need. Once you're done, rename data back to data.